we welcome you warmly to Atlantic Hall. We're excited to welcome our students back to this great bastion of learning. As a school, we are dedicated to ensuring the health and safety of our students. As such, when you resume, you will see quite a number of changes on the campus. However, you can be sure that your welcome will be just as warm and safe. We hope that this short video will give you a flavour of what to expect and how things will work when you resume. For the foreseeable future, this is our new normal. When students resume, the process of ensuring their safety begins from the very gate of the school. Parents will drive through the main gate to the parking lot where preliminary checks will be carried out. We have done this because we do not want to have traffic queuing outside of the school. Parents will be allowed to drive in with their children to the parking lot where preliminary health checks will be conducted by trained medical professionals. Only 2 cars will be allowed in at a time, and students will stay in the car all through the preliminary checkup. Temperature checks will be carried out, and parents will submit their COVID-19 test results, which should be brought with them as they resume from the school-approved hospitals. After which, parents will check them in, then students will proceed to their various hostels. Still maintaining social distancing protocol, when students get to the hostel, only 2 students will be allowed to alight from their vehicles and step into the hostel at any one time. At the entrance of the hostel, we have placed automated sinks and hand wash areas so that students can wash their hands before stepping into the hostel. Social distance markers have been placed to show the proper distance that should be maintained between each student. Once they step inside, they would go through the sanitizing machine. Then they would proceed to the common room where their luggage will be checked in. Once students arrive in the common room, the staff on ground will take their temperature, check and disinfect the table surface area before placing their luggage on it. Staff will also use sanitizers before and after they touch any student's luggage. Once cleared, students will exit through another door to their rooms, where staff will be on hand to help them unpack and settle in, while the surfaces will be sanitized again. Each bed, wardrobe and other surfaces in the room have been disinfected before students resume. We have rearranged all the rooms to ensure that social distancing is at its optimum. Our rooms formerly accommodated 10 pupils, but they now accommodate only half that number. We have also rearranged our common rooms to ensure appropriate social distancing between students when they are being used both during and after school. The clinic also has been properly equipped with automatic hand wash sinks placed at the entrance. Sanitizing machines will also be used by students should they walk into our clinic. All medical personnel have been provided with appropriate PPE. Here in the dining hall, we have rearranged the seating style to ensure that social distancing protocols are observed, and we now have only 4 people per table as opposed to 8 or more we had in the past. In keeping with our commitment to ensure constant safety of our students, all teachers will also take COVID-19 tests before resumption. Use sanitizers and use the sanitizing machine before going into the classroom area. Our classrooms have been arranged to accommodate only 16 students in a class from the previous 20 to 25, with appropriate social distancing protocols observed. At Atlantic Hall, we are dedicated to ensuring not just the academic excellence of our students, but their physical and mental well-being as well. We look forward to receiving our brilliant young visionaries, your children. We can't wait to see you all. Welcome back to school.